So have you ever seen one of these on the beach? It's just made of a bunch of grasses and seaweed and stuff like that. And I would see them on the beach. Sometimes on a windy day, you see them rolling along. And I called them beach tumbleweeds because I just saw them rolling like a tumbleweed would roll across the prairie, I guess. And so I picked them up and looked at them and I thought, I wonder what these really are. So I looked it up, and actually there is a name for them. They are called tangle balls, which is an interesting name. So in a few minutes, I'm actually going to take this one apart to show you what's in it. This is one of the bigger ones that I've seen. I have seen them slightly bigger than this, but they come in all sizes. I'm just going to show you a couple of others. Like this is a fairly small one, but look, a little feather got caught up on that one. How cute is that? And then there's this one, which is even smaller, and it's got some little bit of debris attached to it. And then there's this one. You can see this one's pretty tight, like it's really tightly woven. Some of them seem kind of loose, but this one's tightly woven. Here's another big one, and it has a fair amount of like this black seaweed in it. You can see they're all different. And according to what I've read, they're formed by just on the bottom of the ocean. It starts to roll around and like a ball of this debris starts to gather and picks up the debris around it, and eventually they get washed up on shore. And then when the wind blows, they get blown along the beach. And a bunch of these washed up in the recent northeaster that we had. So I don't know, you want to take a look inside? Let's see what's in there. Is there some kind of special prize? So I'm just going to pull this one apart, and not that easy to do. They're pretty tightly wound. Also, I have a friend who lives up in Maine who spent a lot of time on the beach, and he says that he saw these forming in the grassy areas near the beach, you know, like in the dune areas where there's a lot of seagrass, that you would see these balls rolling around and kind of gathering more grass around them. But I just opened that up, and what's amazing is inside is the same thing. This is on the outside. Almost looks like a bird's nest, right? Kind of cool, but if you really pull them apart, they just fall apart. Let's take a look at another one here. This one seems more tightly wound. I'm just going to see if there's anything different inside of this one. Ooh, hard to pull apart. This one's actually a little less dried out, but as you can see, I'm opening it up. There's just more debris in there, but they do have different kinds of debris. Like this one has more of a green color to it. The other one had more of that black seaweed. You can see they have these little hanging on pieces. Very cool, kind of fun. So that's all I have for you about beach tangle balls. I think I'm still gonna call them tumbleweeds because it's so neat to see them rolling across the prairie of the beach. So it's a beautiful day out here at the beach. The day that I am taping this is actually recording this, you know, I'm just showing my age, taping it, recording it. Anyway, the day that I'm doing this is April 10th, and if you'd like to enjoy the video from this day, I'll put the link to that in the description because it was a beautiful, peaceful morning and just a lovely sunrise. I'm just gonna pan this around to see if you can get a look at what's going on out there. Pretty nice, huh? Have a wonderful day.